Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. We all get stuck while speaking in English. We all fumble, we all go blank while speaking in English. What is the reason behind it? Why it happens to us every single time? Well, today in this session, I'm going to talk about a very simple concept which will help you to overcome all your problems of getting blank, getting stuck, fumbling, etc. etc. Whatever problems you have while speaking in English, you will overcome everything with one simple solution. So I'm going to introduce this concept to you, which will help you to improve in your communication skills, to improve your English speaking skills, and to become fluent and confident while speaking in English in any situation and on any topic with anyone. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Now let's begin. So we all face a lot of problems while speaking in English, right? Whether it is fear or overthinking or nervousness or anything else, whatever the reason may be, but we do stop speaking, we do get blank, feel short of words, etc., etc. And we stop talking and we are not able to communicate in a better way. To avoid all these things, we should start using this concept of think and speak. Whenever you are practicing English at home, just try to follow this concept of think and speak. Once you start following this, it will be much easier for you to start speaking with people without getting blank, without getting stuck, without falling short of words, without fumbling, etc. etc. All your problems are going to be solved with this solution. Now, how it works, I'm going to tell you. For example, if somebody has asked me, how was your weekend? What did you do during your weekends? Now, I know what I did during weekends. But since the person has asked me, I immediately rush to answer this question. And I start with, well, I went for shopping yesterday and it was a very good experience. I went and bought some, shoes and dress and yeah. Okay, so this way I am not able to sustain my conversation. Now, what should I do instead of this? Instead of rushing to answer the question, I should take a moment to collect my thoughts and ideas and then speak. So what you can do is, yes, I went for shopping yesterday. Take some time, take some pause. Speak the next sentence. Or when she's asking this question, just take a moment to collect all your ideas and then speak. Okay, so you can say, well, yesterday I went for shopping. It was good. I bought some dresses and shoes as well. I felt there was a good variety of stuffs available in the store. Okay, so this way you can just think and then speak. Okay, collect your ideas together, what you want to say. Don't tell the whole story. Yeah, I woke up and I just planned to go to the mall and then, I thought that, I have to do shopping and I want to buy some dress, I want to buy some shoes, etc., etc. Don't tell all these things. Just be direct. Okay, 2-3 sentences is more than enough, but collect your ideas, collect your thoughts. Okay, and then speak. Don't speak randomly. If I also start speaking randomly, maybe I won't be able to talk much. Okay, so take a moment to think and collect ideas and then speak. It will be very easy for you to speak then. You know what you have done. Yeah, immediately everything will come to your mind. Yeah, I bought some shoes, I bought some clothes, I went to the mall, right? Good stuffs were there. Stuffs were very cooperative, anything. There was a lot of rush at the store. Whatever comes to your mind, just collect your idea and then speak. Okay, so when you're practicing at home, do this. Use this method, use this concept. Right? So, for example, I'll take another example to clear it. When you are talking about your daily routine, or when you came back home and before going to bed, when you're speaking about what did you do the whole day, or when you speak about how was your day like, take a moment, collect all your thoughts. What has happened since morning? If you want, you can take up a diary or a mobile phone and you can jot down your ideas there. Right? What did you do in the first half, in the second half, in the evening? What did you do every time? Once you collect all your ideas, it will be much easier for you to speak on those ideas. Right? Try doing this. Try doing this and then you will see the difference. Like randomly speaking and thinking and then speaking about anything. It does help. So initially it will take some time for you to gather all your thoughts and answer the question. But when you get in practice of doing this, it will be very instant for you. This will be a habit. Whenever somebody asks you something or have a conversation with you, you will definitely take a moment to collect your ideas and then speak. And it will be random also. It will not look odd. It will not look very obvious. Okay, so initially you have to practice at home with this concept so that it becomes your habit. And trust me on this, till date, I do this. I follow this. This has helped me a lot. Now, I'll give you a very simple example. We all give presentations. Do we write everything in the presentation slide and then talk looking at the slide? No, we don't. What do? We collect the ideas, we write pointers there. Points are there and we elaborate on those points. Or if we write an example and we elaborate on that example. So this is how we give presentations also. So which means it is a tried and tested method. Right? So when you look at the pointer, you will start thinking and then you will start speaking about it. You'll just recall everything. Okay, this means this. So let's talk about this. So this is a very tried and tested method, guys, and it works like wonder. Start using this method or this concept in your daily routine or daily life when you're practicing English speaking, and it's going to help you. So whenever next time, if there is a conversation going on as well, try to listen to everybody, what people are saying. And if you have some thoughts, take a moment, think, collect your ideas and then speak on it. If you have to describe anything also, just try to come up with a sequence in your mind. Okay, what did you do first, then next, then third, then fourth, and then talk about it. If you start doing it in this way, thinking in this way before speaking, it will be very helpful for you to go on with the conversation and go on with speaking in English. Okay, so always think before you speak. And the other way around is also another solution to this is another practical tip I'm going to give you to make it easier for you is try practicing on conversational topics or real life topics which comes up every single day on which we have conversation with people. Prepare it beforehand, practice it in advance so that when you go there and if those topics comes up like sports or politics or finance or movies or anything, right? So you will be prepared to talk about it. So collect your ideas again and then speak. Okay, so ultimately you have to think before speaking. You have to build a habit of thinking before speaking. Thinking means it's not about every sentence you have to frame and then speak. Right? You don't have to do that. You have to collect your ideas basically. And you have to come up with a sequence how you are going to talk about. right? And this is going to help you to become fluent and confident while speaking in English. Once you start doing this, it will build up your confidence and fluency as well. Okay, so this is a tried and tested method and it is very helpful also. Try doing this by yourself. Take a topic and start speaking randomly on it. And then second time what you do is take 1 minute of yours to collect all the thoughts, what you have to speak, and then speak. You will see the difference for sure, guys. Do this experiment right away. Pause my video, do this experiment right away, and you will get to know if it works. And it is definitely going to work. It works for everybody. So get into the habit of collecting your ideas. Initially, you will find it difficult. So jot down your ideas. Keep a diary, keep a notepad on your mobile and jot down the ideas before speaking. Okay, once you start doing it, you will get regularized and you will get familiar with this concept, and it will be very much easy for you to start thinking in English or collect all your thoughts in English or ideas in English without writing it down and speaking up front. Okay, so get into the habit of doing this every single day and you will see a lot of difference after 30 days. So next time when you are in a situation when people are having a conversation with you or talking to you or asking a question to you, take a moment, collect your thoughts and then answer them and see how it goes, right? Let's do it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.